I arrived in Ashford one balmy afternoon, greeted by a relentless sun and a bustling town centre that seemed to pulse with energy. The heat of the day mirrored the lively atmosphere as the streets were filled with a multitude of people. The town was a vibrant mosaic of cultures, standing out starkly in contrast to the more quaint towns I had visited recently, such as Canterbury, Ramsgate, and Deal. As I wandered through the crowded streets, I stumbled upon an intriguing sight: a man energetically promoting a paintball game. His enthusiasm was infectious, and the sight of people gearing up for an exhilarating game against the backdrop of the busy high street added an unexpected touch of excitement to the day. My first stop was the high street, where the array of stalls and shops created a sensory feast. The street was alive with color and activity, as numerous fruit stalls offered a delightful array of fresh produce. Each stall was brimming with vivid, ripe fruits that added a splash of color to the already bustling scene. The crowd was diverse, reflecting a rich blend of ethnic backgrounds, which added to the dynamic and eclectic character of Ashford.
Sour, fam.
Despite the lively hustle and bustle, the town's church was somewhat hidden, tucked away between the narrow streets. This sacred space seemed a world apart from the surrounding activity. Its quiet presence contrasted sharply with the busy surroundings. The church, locked and inaccessible, seemed almost forlorn and abandoned. I took a leisurely walk around the churchyard, the serenity of the space offering a peaceful respite from the frenetic pace of the town. Venturing beyond the town center, I found my way to the Designer Outlet Center. This shopping haven, located a bit farther from the main streets, was a sprawling paradise for shopping enthusiasts. The center boasted an impressive array of globally renowned brands, and its size made it the largest I had encountered in the UK. For those passionate about fashion and bargains, a visit here is a must.
But tell me one thing, do any of these discounts apply to you?
My exploration continued as I made my way to the car park, a journey that left me both exhausted and sun-scorched. The heat of the day had taken its toll, making every step feel like a small victory.
Sour, fam.
To the tranquil churchyard, and from the vibrant market to the expansive shopping center. It was a day of exploration that highlighted the town's unique blend of tradition and modernity, leaving me with lasting impressions of its diverse and dynamic spirit.